This is Reynal Dsouza from Oxford Integration. Welcome to another session of Product Showcase. Today we have a product from a manufacturer who produces PTZ cameras from the past 13 years. In 2015, they spun off to create a brand called Angekis with the goal to create best USB PTZ cameras. Their signature product, USB 3.0 Saber, won various awards, which included ISC Best in Show in 2016. From then on, the brand has been creating various PTZ models for their users. So today we have here the Saber X from Angekis, the ultimate Saber. So this can be used for very large video conferencing rooms, for professional live streaming as well as recording. So let's see what's inside the box. We have the mount, we have the lens cleaner, we have the remote here, we have some cords, the power cord, the USB A to C, we have the control cable, the connectors, and the mounting kit, some screws and stickers. So we have the adapter here. And then we have the camera. So the camera is well matte finished. It has a cover. It looks pretty good. Let's talk about the features. So let's check about the connectivity. We have the DC 12 volt plug. We have the NDI port, 3G HDI, and then we have an HDMI out. One of the unique things is the audio line in. We have an USB-C as well as RS-232 in and out. So here we have the IR receiver, we have a light indicator, and we have a dip switch as well as the screws to mount upside down as well. So let's talk about the features of the camera. The camera is a 4K UHD with up to 60 frames per second. It has a Sony CMOS sensor which provides smooth video in all kinds of situations. So its 30x optical zoom is a perfect fit for large and most demanding environments. Its advanced auto tracking provides smooth tracking, analyzing motion and shape. Its full range of connectivity provides the versatility for both production as well as installation. So with PoE Plus, you can receive the video, you can power and control with a single cable. The camera comes with a non-NDI version as well as an NDI version, which we have it here. You can have up to 10 presets using the remote and up to 128 programmable resets using the RS-232 controller. You can also control the camera using the web UI and also update the firmware. So you don't need a software or a plugin. For streamers, it supports protocols such as RTMP and SRT. To experience the Saber X, kindly contact Oxford Integration. Follow us in our social media as well as follow our YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe.